Some iPhone users do not know that when they delete a message from their iPhone, the messages don't get deleted immediately. And in this video, I'll walk you through on how to see your recently deleted messages. First is to tap your messaging app. It's usually pinned at this favorite bar of your iPhone. So I'll tap on mine. Once it opens, you will see the messages that entered your inbox. Now we want to filter the recently deleted one. So tap on the three lines at the top right. This will give you some options. Select recently deleted. Then you can see some messages are recently deleted. Okay, these messages are recently deleted. This one has 47 messages. All right, and after a day, this first one, it will disappear. So any message you delete from your messaging app of your iPhone stays there for about 40 days before it gets automatically deleted. So maybe you want to restore one of it or all of them. What you need to do is to tap on the one you want to restore and tap on this recover button. So once you tap on one, you will see the recover button say recover two messages because two messages are contained in it. I will tap on recover two messages. So this will go back to my main messaging section. All right. Now let's take additional steps. Maybe I want to wipe them permanently. I will tap on the three dots, keep tapping on the check boxes, and I will tap on delete button and tap on delete. So these messages are gone forever. So I don't have any message in my recently deleted. Then if you want to see some spam messages that are filtered as spam, this is not part of this tutorial, but I want to walk you through on that as well. Tap on the three lines again and select spam. And I don't have any spam message here. So to get back to the normal message, tap on the three lines and select messages. And we are back here. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.